Okay, guys, today we're gonna play Train Simulator 12, but this time it's gonna be part 2, and I hope it doesn't have cut off again because it was 1 minute last part. I already know how to do the driving thing now. Come on. Yay, finally. This is gonna be joking. Yes, finally. Okay, we're gonna wait. No! Go. This is gonna be joking. Google Drive. I want a Google Drive. Wait, Google Slides. I should have known that. Oh my god. Oh! Google. Oh, yes. Yes. Hey, get out of my spot. uh, 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 uh. This is just the old version. You have got to be kidding me. Play. Yes, I want to play. No, I'm the. Is it Google Space? I remember this space. Yes, space. Yes, I want space. Stop it. Whoa, hey, wait, hold on a second. What the heck? What the heck is happening over here? I'm so old that I want to die. No, I'm out. I'm not doing this. Get the hell out of my sight, guys. Bah! Oh my god, this is so gravity. Even this. That should teach you its lesson. Ah! No! I want a good space. Ah! No! You know what? I'm just gonna keep it like this. Oof! 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 Whatever. No. This is just wasting my time. No. Oh, wait. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What? Oh no. Ah! Come on, I must get. Dude, keep the gravity up. Ag. Isn't this website done yet? I mean the game. Okay, this would definitely take a while. It's just wasting my time. I have nothing. Like, only this part. Yeah, I'm not gonna watch it go and animate. Hi, YouTube. You know what? This is wasting my time. This is part 2.